that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Holy f***.
Dude, I am so sorry.
It's all good, brother.
I looked over my shoulder and I didn't see you, and then I came across.
It's all good, man.
Of course, me and you would run into each other.
I need both of you to take breath behind.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
All right, everyone, I'm going for it. Triple time. Don't think, just do. Woo! Holy fuck! Holy fuck! Holy shit, I thought I had it, man. Oh, my shoulder's dislocated, I think. I'm gonna get you. Watch out! Here we go! Bye-bye! Nice throw! You're joking right now! Piece of garbage, dude! Do not buy a KTM ever!
No refunds.
Oh shit, not good.
Holy shit.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. I missed the rear brake.
Another one. Alright, that's how I gotta hit that corner. Sand surfing, baby. Okay, little triple right here. All right, here we go, triple time. Oh shit! Oh! Wrong jump! Oh! That wasn't the triple! It was that one! Oh! Wow, the trails are the best they've ever been. This is... Oh, that corner was so sick!
Watch out for that tree!
Oh shit! Oh, my arm. Oh, I dislocated it. Oh, it just popped back in the socket. Oh! I much prefer to ride trails on oh, almost went right for that tree. Couldn't make up my mind where I was gonna go. Oh! I swear, dude. I ditched it before I hit the tree. See, this is why people watch my videos. Bro, what in the hell is this? I don't think I can do that. I legit don't think I can do that. I mean, it's just mud. How bad could it be? Oh! You really gotta relax when you're picking a line. You got stiff? You're going in the wrong one. Always. It's always when you get stiff and look at something and get scared is when you're headed right to it. Woo! Oh shit!
Hopefully. Hopefully. Oh, oh! Up! Get it up! Get it up!
Dude, kid on the 65 is cooking. He gave me the look back like you don't want none of this. To this inside. Oh, man, I was waiting for that to happen.
You suck!
Let's go, send it. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What the f? You okay? Shit, shit, shit. Stay still. Stay still. You're good, dude. Okay, getting that out of your face. What hurts? Right leg? Right wrist. It looks broken. It's broken. Bones heal fast, don't worry.
Oh, dude, you got it. Keep it going. Keep it going.
Fail!
Cut the bike off.
He's gonna try and push it all the way up.
Hey, hey.
Oh god.
I'm telling you to cut it off and just turn around and try again. Yeah, like that. Or just sit on the fender.
Oh my god.
Oh, fuck. In the dick.
Oh my good god. What the? Holy shit. Don't even. Something's. Oh my god. My brand new bike. Don't even tell me. It's fucked. It's fucked. My brand new bike that I just spent $9 grand on is done. Please tell me it's gas. Please tell me I ran out of gas. Oh, thank God. What an idiot. I am such an idiot, dude.